How you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue with the side section. Hopefully we finish today. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more upcoming video like this one. So yesterday we work all the way up from down below. See, putting our stills. And now I'm gonna tape this here off. And then we're gonna work to reach up to the height of our window and put our angle line across. You'll see that's coming up in this video. So later on we're gonna put over here veneer stone. You'll see here I step back 4 inches from my from the corner plate here so that I can make my return. Subscribe for that. Later on you can come back and watch me install all the veneer bricks. I like to wet my mortar before I start. So guys, you want to measure for a window. The way you want to do that, you want to just put your tape right onto the bricks, whatever number it gave you. So here it's telling me that we have to work 6. You want to work for at least a 1/4 inch above your window, so that when you put your angle line, it's not sitting on top of the window. Just in case later on they want to pull the window out, they don't have to remove the brick nard, they can just pop it out. Here we're going to check our window. So between 5 and 6. We're just going to mark in the middle of 5 and 6. That number should give us, that number should reach right up to the top of our window. This brick is very easy to mess up, guys. We're trying our best to work as well as we can. you don't want to have it fall off because it's going to fall down and make a mess on your wall. You want to try and prevent dropping mortar. I just see I sloop my mortar up. We're going to butter a bit with our drop mortar. Bring it as close to the line as possible, as you can get it. Focusing on getting it right, and then eventually you will improve on your speed. Good bricklayer doesn't mean you have to be super fast. Speed is something that the more you lay, the more you're gonna The main way I survive in the trade business is by word of mouth and referral. You know, do a good job and good will follow you. You know, your friend will tell your friends, and then the friend will tell the next friend. That's how you're gonna survive. But the only way you can survive that way is to do a good job at all times. You, and I'm going to take you all. Yeah, so now we're going to catch this mortar here. Just see I rub it right down to the line. Try to go as close as possible. Now I'm going to cut my drop mortar that I have here. Now we're going to use it to butter our next brick. And we're just going to keep on repeat the same process as we go. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I promise if you keep watching, and if you're new trying to be a bricklayer, you will learn by watching the video, but you have to practice. Whatever you learn today, up here on the job site, you try to do it. Apply it to your everyday work as you go. Guys, I'm going to tell you a story 2 years back. I remember starting out, I started with a green garden trowel. And I remember going to the job site. Guys used to look at me and be, whoa, this is a rookie, look at this trowel that he's using. And that same garden trowel put me where I am today. So the same guy that was criticizing me with the garden trowel, I still have him come out here and work some days with me right now. The same one who used to say that I'm working with the garden trowel. So guys, believe in yourself and follow your dream. Whatever you desire, you go for it. Work hard, believe in yourself, and you will get to wherever you want to be in life. Don't listen to what people might say, because you're going to have a lot of people who tell you that you're not meant for that. You're not meant for what you're trying to do, and you're not good enough at what you're doing. Don't listen to them. No, I'm good. Believe in yourself and keep pushing. And always tell yourself that once a person has something in life, it's a possibility for you to have it as well. We are all human. Whatever anyone accomplishes, you can accomplish it too. You just have to believe in yourself and work hard. And don't give up. Because obstacles are gonna come in the way as you go along the way. You know what I mean? Days gonna come where you're gonna be like, you know what, this is not for me. But if you believe that those days gonna come and you know what I mean, that way you won't be surprised when they come, and you'll be aware and you will deal with the situation in a different way than if you think that there is it's a smooth road for you to go along the way. I'm a strong believer, man. I'm a strong believer that you can accomplish whatever you want in life. If Tom, Dick and Harry does it, that means you can do it too. The only difference is that they believe they can. If you don't believe you can, then it's going to be more difficult for you to make your way through to have whatever you desire in life. Doesn't matter how big it is, man. Believe you can do it and work hard. To live financially free, you have to work, man. You have to work hard, huh? Yeah, you tell him. Nothing in life come easy, my friend. Nothing. And if it do come easy, it's not gonna stay with you. Stuff that come easy usually go easy. Yeah, man, I come.